So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It has been a cold and gloomy kind of day so far today, but it's been a very busy day. Melissa and Levi, with the help of grandson Ty and Hunter, are fulfilling t-shirt orders. If you saw that last video, we released some new t-shirts. They're real nice. There'll be a link in the description if you're interested in one. But anyway, they're shipping those out today. Probably take a couple days. Yesterday, the first day, we got about 75 orders, which is good. So they're taking care of that right now. My father-in-law, Ed, he just showed up a little bit ago, and he headed out to the mini cabin to do some hunting. So here in a bit, I'll probably take my gun for a walk and see if I can't push a nice buck to Ed. And what else is going on? I've been working on filling the firewood bunker here. But today is Monday. You will see this video on Tuesday. And at the time this video publishes, daughter Eva will probably be in for her brain surgery tomorrow. So we're hoping everything goes well. We appreciate all the prayers everyone's been sending. So it is Tuesday morning now. I started this video yesterday morning down at the firewood bunker, and I kind of had to cut it off right there in the middle because I started talking about Eva's surgery that was scheduled for this morning. And tell them what happened. We
got a call yesterday at 3:30 that the doctors postponed the surgery.
Yeah, so. At 3:30 yesterday afternoon. And the unfortunate thing about it is Eva's been super nervous about having this surgery done. And just in the last couple days, she really was almost excited about to know that she was going to feel better.
To this point, yeah.
And so we got the call at 3:30 yesterday. The hospital called after we made the copay and all that stuff.
Yeah, they called for the copay earlier in the day, did the registration part, you know, e-check-in, did all that, and then later we got the call that they're postponing the surgery. And I want to say this, Mike and I both believe that all the prayers you've offered and all the prayers we're offering, that this is meant to be. This needs to be postponed. And it's frustrating because Eva wanted to get this done so she could feel better. But we're going to have to see what our other options are for right now. And we're talking to some other doctors, but
yeah, maybe there was some reason or whatever, right. And all the prayers, maybe this is the way. So right. we're not that worked up about it.
But we want to thank you,
yeah,
for being a part of this and for praying, because I really believe with the monstrous amount of prayers that you're all offering, that this is an answer that we needed. So we are at a point where we're not sure. It can be frustrating because we don't know what's next and what is the answer, but we do feel peace that this is meant to be. So.
Then the doctor called us, what, about 5 o'clock?
Yeah.
And we talked to him for a while. And this is nothing. I know there's tons of questions of why it was postponed. We really don't know. There was a little glitch about her age that could have been worked through or something, but it's on hold right now. That's all we know.
Right.
Like I said, this happened late yesterday. It's Tuesday morning right now, so we're going to start basically all over again. And but she said all the tests done, the MRI, all that
everything.
Everything.
She even had to. There were certain restrictions from. She couldn't take any medications a week prior to the surgery, and she couldn't even have like cinnamon, like different things that they gave her that she could not have 1 week prior to the surgery. So she was strict with all that, and then this kind of just fell.
And like all her schoolwork, she had everything set up to, you know, not do anything this week, and had online classes and got all this stuff.
We had to get things
She
approved.
took care of, she was all ready to go. Everything was ready to go. And like we say, 3:30 yesterday. And at first when you told me, because I was out in the woods with her dad, he was hunting, and she sent me a text. And at first I thought, oh, you know, we'll work through this afternoon or something.
Right.
You know what I mean? No, there was none of that. And so it was a little something I think that got missed by like a hospital administrator or something. Like I said, we don't have all the answers right now. All we know right now is it is postponed. We're going to figure it out, and we'll go from there, and we'll keep you updated. We just wanted to get a video out as quick as we could, because I know so many people have been messaging and commenting and all that kind of stuff, asking how Eva is. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. She went to school today. And we're just starting to figure out what the next step is.
And you know what? She's really amazing, because
she is.
One of the things she was upset about, that this isn't going to help her feel better right now. She was really looking forward to it. She was prepared. mentally, and then this. And it's a frustration. And she said, what about all my friends that are subscribers that are praying for me? And I said, you need those prayers, and we appreciate it. And she says, well, I just feel embarrassed. I said, there's nothing to feel embarrassed about. There is nothing that Eva did wrong. I think she's just amazing.
She's the one that did everything exactly right.
She planned it. She had her list. She had been prepared down to the T. So I'm really thankful that you're all here and that you do love and support our family, especially Eva in this time of frustration. And I think the prayers will definitely help us go in the direction we need to go. So whatever doctor that is or whatever appointment. But right now we're at peace with it. And we just want to say, we wanted to give you an update and just say thanks so much for being here and for the prayers. It's exactly how we feel at peace with the way things are right now. So.
Yeah. But anyway, right now Melissa's got to go open up the sweatshop inside. She's been cranking out the t-shirts. Her and Levi, help of grandson Ty and Hunter. If you're interested in a t-shirt, the link will be in the description. But yeah, that's it for this video. We just wanted to let you know as soon as we could. We're going to put a post on Facebook, and we know some people are on there, some aren't, so there's no confusion.
Right.
Eva's
we might do a post later, but yeah, we thought the video was the best to
that's the most people
update
see
you.
it.
And we'll continue to update you as we know more.
Yeah.
Like I said, we have some other appointments that we're going to get to.
Right.
But let me give you an inside glimpse. I'm just going to verbally tell you what the sweatshop is like. Because we have the 2 junior helpers, the interns. So Levi's handling all of the website and the printing and the labels and, the shipping, that sort of thing. So the shuttling over to what I need to prepare to package or, make sure it's already pressed and packaged. One helper brings it and the other helper accidentally grabs it and takes it back. So it's been a lot of work. I'm like, nope, you don't need to do that. And so one's this tall, one's this tall. They're keeping us busy. Our minds are sharp. So we're checking and double checking. But thanks so much for all the orders. And if you missed it and you do want to order something, you better go to our website and order pretty fast because we had
75 orders or something the first day.
Yeah, the first day.
And then more yesterday.
And there's still more coming in, but they're getting out. We're getting them out.
But that's it. Surgery postponed. Thanks for keeping us in your prayers. And like we always say, if you enjoyed these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends.
Thanks.